Right, here we have Clifford's hub off on his boat trailer. He'd forgot to take the handbrake off and drove about 35 miles or 30 miles, whatever. Anyway, the hubs have got incredibly hot, as they would do. They delaminated the brand new brake shoes we put on. All the bearings are dry. It's burnt all the grease off out of the grease saver. That's inside the grease saver, and all the springs are stretched, as you can see. The heat has damaged it. There should be no movement in that lot. Even the brake cables got incredibly hot. Dear me. And melted away. And the thing on the back of that you put the water through, that's melted as well. Yeah, because at the back of there, the back plate and everything's got absolutely roasting. So until I check the bearings out, they might require replacing, and all the seals, definitely all the brakes, and heck, brake adjusters and everything. They were brand new brake adjusters, they've got white hot, and they'll probably have to be exchanged, so I'll have to order them in. There you go. That's just one side. The other side will be the same. Well, here we go. It's a nice Sunday morning on maybe the 9th of January, and this is Clifford's boat. His bearings on his hub have absolutely brand new bearings, by the way, and the oil seal, the rubber's gone on that. I've cleaned it up a bit now, but they've got quite hot. They should be okay though, but we'll need new bearings again. As you can see, the brakes have delaminated, the springs have stretched beyond. There will have been smoke when you were driving down the road. There will have been smoke. I'm surprised people aren't honking their horns. And that thing there should have a spring on it, and that's gone. It's there actually, that spring there. Yeah, so don't leave your handbrake on whilst driving, especially 30 miles, and look in your mirror occasionally. You will see the smoke following you. Anyway, there you go. Not to rub you, well, yes, actually I've got this job to do now on a blinking Sunday, so I'll have to order up parts. There we go.